Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle, and in today's video we're going to be making this super delicious chicken and potato stew. So please do stay tuned and enjoy this video. Am I the only one who struggles with cutting the backbone, guys? Sometimes I just rip it apart with my hands, but today I just respected the chicken. So today I'm going to be using a full chicken for this recipe, and I'm gonna start off by seasoning it with some salt and spices. You can definitely use any spices and herbs of your choice. Today's shout out goes to Little Cake Lab from Germany. Ooh, levels, guys. With my small audience, I'm already having international viewers. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please also do comment where you are watching from so that I can tag you in my next video, and appreciate you, Nyana, for your love and support. Next up, you're gonna add oil to a pot and then fry the chicken. Since I'm using a full chicken, I decided to use the biggest pot that I have available. So then cover this up and then move on to peeling the potatoes. I used baby potatoes for this recipe, and I just chopped them as shown. You can chop them smaller or bigger depending on your preference. Next off, you chop your carrots and mix them with your potatoes. I ended up using 2 only for this recipe because 3 seemed to be quite a lot. So after mixing it, you're gonna check on your pot again. I think 10 to 15 minutes after. I did not add water at this point, guys. You just put all your potatoes and let them steam on top of the chicken as shown. For the thicken, I'm going to be using Knorr cream of tomato flavor. Put a generous amount in a bowl and add water and thoroughly mix, because if you don't thoroughly mix, you're gonna have a lumpy soup, which is definitely not okay. You can decide to add more water if you feel like the soup is too thick, and you can also decide to add more thickener if you feel like the soup is too thin. It just really depends on how you prefer it to be, honestly. So mix this up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and finally there you have it, guys, your lovely chicken and potato stew. It was so delicious and so flavorful. You can serve this with rice, of course, and you can also use pap or sadza or anything that you really prefer, honestly. You can even have it as is. It is super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.